Hello everyone, welcome back to Excel Insider. In today's video, we will learn a simple hack to calculate years and months between two dates in Excel. In this dataset in my screen, we have the schedule for a project. There are assigned dates in column C and then the due dates in column D. But there are no durations for the part of the projects. So now we are going to find that out to make it clear for the project executives. The method for this is to use the DATEDIF function. The DATEDIF function calculates the difference between two dates. You can see that I have already created a helper column named duration in column E. So now I'll go to cell E2 and then paste a formula, which will directly show that 0 years 5 months as the duration of the project initiation part. So now let me break the formula down for you. So the first parameter into the DATEDIF function C2 is the assigned date. And then the second parameter D2 is the due date. The third parameter here takes a string as input to determine whether the output would be years, months, or days. For the first part, it's y, meaning year. So this function will return the number of years as output. In this whole formula, we are merging this function, the DATEDIF function, twice with an AND, so that we can first find out the years and then the months. So, in the second DATEDIF function, the C2 is again the assigned date, and then the D2 is the due date, and YM is the string input which will return a month value as outputs. So while you are working, just type the formula and press and enter. Now, for the remaining parts of the dataset, we will use the same formula. To do so, click on the cell E2 and then come to the bottom right corner and then drag it until the column ends. Look, our data is filled up and it's giving us all the durations for all the parts of the project. You can get the workbook for this content linked below. Drop any questions or feedback in the comments box and please visit Excel Insider for more Excel and Google Sheets tutorial like this.